Everyone, this is Karen Brown with Solar Academy. I am today here with Anton Patton from CPS. Anton is a VP of product at CPS, and today we're going to talk a lot about how CPS approaches innovation in the field of inverters, and mostly CNI inverters, but also beyond. So with that, welcome, Anton. Good to have you here. Let me open the conversation with asking you about your background. How did you end up in the solar industry? How did you end up at CPS? Tell us a little bit as far back as you like. I believe I remember that you're from the Bay Area and you went to school in the Bay Area. So just tell us a little bit about how you ended up where you are now.
Yeah, sure. I grew up in the Bay Area, but went to college, UC Santa Barbara, and UC Berkeley for mechanical engineering. So always was, wanting to get into engineering, but also always had a, desire to get into something related to sustainability and the environment. And during grad school, I did research in the lab of manufacturing and sustainability. So that's kind of my educational background. And then, once I graduated, started looking at different roles of how you could apply kind of engineering in the sustainability field, and renewable energy and solar kind of fit right in there of what I was looking for, and have been in the solar industry since 2013. Maybe a little before that, but yeah, been working in different technical roles for mostly commercial and industrial solar PV projects. I started in solar on the EPC side and project development side as design engineer, working on designing systems, commercial PV systems, being out in the field, working on the installation, as well as going out and helping commission and troubleshoot systems. So was able to get a lot of good experience looking at kind of the overall designs, as well as being out in the field and working on installations. So yeah, worked at a couple different EPCs and developers in the commercial space. And then in 2018, started at CPS. And one thing I was really excited about CPS was being able to take all of that